Went on a ride there this morning with my dr650. I've got a 59, 79 on it. I got the original tires. I'm fixing to put me some new ones because it's like riding on ice. I like ice riding. It's doing good. I got a little oil leak in there somewhere. I think it's that hose. I've tightened it. This is my T-Rex. That one there's got a flat CRF 150. And then I just got this new motor. I got a vino too. But it's a 25 lean burn. Man, I'll tell you, it does pretty good. It's not real fast, but just runs excellent. Quiet. It's really nice. Came with a control. I just use that one fishing there. I got my radio under there. Speakers up there. Probably scare the fish off. But anyway, there's the back tire to the 150, and there's a back tire to a CRF 80. It's in the shed. That super truck, it melted my fairing right there, but it's been a good bike. Like I say, I got almost 6,000 on the stock tires. And the Kawasaki, it's tough now. That thing will go too now. It'll go. That's CRF 70. My grandson. 12,000 pound winch. No, that's a 9.5, sorry.